15 must-knit stocking patterns for him. This free knitting pattern helps you create a modern Christmas stocking. A knitting pattern for a Christmas stocking is available. It uses the ferrule technique. Make a matching set of holiday stockings that is bright, festive stripes and cozy cuffs. This knitting pattern lets you make nice Christmas stockings for the holidays. This free knitting pattern helps you make a classic striped Christmas stocking. This vintage-style knit stocking pattern features a beautiful red flower colorwork design. This project shows you how to knit a Christmas stocking with a chevron design. This easy knitted Christmas stocking pattern is perfect for all skill levels. This free knitting pattern helps you make a Madras plaid stocking. This page offers free knitting patterns for Christmas stockings. That is a good way to practice knitting socks. This free knitting pattern guides you through making a quick, chunky Christmas stocking using super bulky yarn. Knit these fun stockings that mimic the look of granny stripes. Make a special knitted Santa Christmas stocking for your home. This is large stocking that can hold many gifts. This project includes instructions for both knitting flat and knitting in the round. This unique Dinotopia stocking blends classic Fair Isle and Renaissance motifs with a fun dinosaur theme. Find all these patterns and more on theknitcrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.